Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool, which is used to make a qualitative research analysis, and also you can get your research questions answered 30x faster. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for research paper writing. Especially it will be very useful for us to analyze your reference papers and to make a better literature review for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station at PV and wind energy as sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as input sources, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking techniques in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy input sources, and then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. The AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AILYZE, that is .com. So here you can see use our AI tool for qualitative research today. Get themes from your documents, example PDF documents, that is the files you can upload, Excel files, detailed answers to your research questions with support codes and more up to 30x faster in any language. So this is how this AILYZE AI will works out. So here you can click try now for free. So after that you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So in this dashboard you can see that option called upload file. So you will be having a limit up to 10 MB file. So you can choose and upload your files. So in order to do so, I am going to choose a random file here. For example, I am going to take this paper. So here you can see that. So this is the paper I am going to take. So you can get a better idea about this paper. So optimization of controller parameters for grid tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using artificial neural network based 𝐭𝐻 algorithm. So this is the file I am going to upload in this particular site. So here what you can do is go to that AILYZE AI. So after that you can choose file. So in this choose file you can select that PDF and you can upload that. So it will take several seconds to upload the file. So after that you can see here, choose the type of analysis. So summarize, ask a specific question. So conduct a thematic analysis, compare viewpoints across the documents. So all this will be very helpful for us to analyze that particular reference paper. So after uploading a reference paper, you will be given this kind of things. So here you can see that. So just click on summarize. So here it will choose summary type. So essay or bullet points. So I am going to give bullet points. So here you can see the optional instructions here. So just here you can see get an individual summary of each document. So you can select whatever the languages you want. So here you can see how much languages will be available. So there are many languages, more than 30 to 40 languages are available here. Next, length of response, you can select it as short, medium or long, whatever you want you can select. And then instruction regarding your desired response you can choose or that is customize. So whatever you want you can do here in this AILYZE. So after that, so I am not going to choose this optional instructions. So just I am going to give summarize only. So summarize, and I am going to choose it as a bullet points. So after that I am going to click on submit. So let us see how this will generate content for us. So whether it will give a summarized content about that particular reference paper, that is reference paper we have uploaded or not. So let us see how it will works out. Yes, our response is generated. So here you can see the introduction. So discusses optimization of controlled parameters for grid tied photovoltaic system using artificial neural network based 𝐭𝐻 optimization, focusing on tuning PI controllers for distributed generation. So employing the 𝐭𝐻 to extract optimum parameters for the controllers. Next you can see the simulation results. So here you can see what is done in this simulation. So how comes the simulation results are obtained. So what are the important things available in simulation results. Next you can see the conclusion. So here you can see the conclusion, the presence optimal design procedure for multiple PI controllers. So here you can see the acknowledgement and references. This is how it will summarize the content. So after that I am going to do conduct thematic analysis. So after selecting this thematic analysis, so you can choose, if you want you can choose the instruction or just give submit. So let us see how it will works out. So it will take several seconds to generate this analysis. This must be generated in a essay format only. So only the summarize, in summarize option only you can choose that, that is bullet points or essay type. So in this optional instructions, if you need, you can give optional instructions according to the content. So thereby it will generate a content. Here you can see that thematic analysis for the particular paper is generated. A detailed explanation of that particular paper is generated, an analysis is generated. So here thematic analysis of a provided context reveals several key themes related to the optimization of grid-tied PV system using advanced algorithms and methodologies. The top theme identified include optimization techniques, application of artificial intelligence, system dynamics and control strategies, multi-objective function, robustness, comparative analysis, performance evaluation, multi-objective optimization and experimental validation. So this is how the response will be generated. So here you can see a detailed explanation of each and every points are generated here. So you can make use of this, that is AILYZE.com. So next I am going to click this option, compare viewpoints across the documents. I am going to click compare viewpoints. So here you can ask questions. So compare the results. So like that you can give compare the simulation results, like that you can give. Optional instructions if you want you can give. So otherwise you can just click on submit. So let us see how it will generate, compare the viewpoints across the documents. So we have focused on results. So let us see whether it will generate the, that is comparative analysis of results or comparative analysis of the whole paper or not. So here you can see that the content is generated. So effectiveness of modern optimization method. So next, advantages of CSA, that is cuckoo search optimization algorithm. So next, comparison of response. Next, reduction in fluctuation. So this is how, what are the important points to be compared in this particular paper is generated. So this is a different tool where you can have different types of questions. Normally in many of the AI tools where you can upload your PDF and ask questions, or it will generate the possible questions to be asked with that particular paper. But this will be a different questions where you can analyze the paper very better. So especially this thematic analysis and comparison viewpoints give a clear structure and clear idea about the particular document you have uploaded. So this will be very useful for you to analyze your reference papers bits and pieces very nicely. So this is very useful for those who are making review papers. So for those who are making review papers, this point is very important, that is compare viewpoints across the documents, because while writing review paper you have to compare that viewpoints very effectively. So thereby you can have a better inference about that particular paper also. So this is the important thing in this AILYZE AI. So you can make use of this option. So here you can upload a document file, what are the file, these are the formats you can upload, but only up to limited up to 10 MB only. So less than 10 MB you can upload your file and you can analyze your reference paper very better and make a better literature review, and also you can understand the paper better. Even some of the IEEE papers we are struggle to understand while studying. So in order to extract the better content from this paper, better that is easy content in our language to be understand, so you can make use of this option. So here you can see that there are many different languages are available in this optional. So here this is very important. So if you want you can translate in any of the languages. So like that you can use this optional instructions to analyze your content in different languages. So like that you can make use of this option in this AILYZE AI to get a better content for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.